In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms to set quizzes that show results immediately after submission. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, providing instant feedback to users while saving you time in the quiz management process. Let's dive in. First, start by opening your browser and entering Microsoft Forms in the search bar. Once you've accessed the Microsoft Forms website, you'll need to sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's free and takes just a few moments. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft Forms homepage where you can see all your previous forms and quizzes. Locate the quiz that you want to set up for immediate results and click on it to open it. If you haven't created a quiz yet, it's a good idea to do this beforehand, so you have something to work with during this setup process. Now that your quiz is open, look to the upper right corner of the page. There, you'll see 3 dots, often referred to as More Options. Click on these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where we'll tweak the necessary options to ensure users receive their results right after they complete the quiz. Within the settings, keep an eye out for an option labeled Show Results Automatically. It's integral for students or respondents to receive their results as soon as they hit that Submit button. Simply locate this option and toggle it on. By doing so, you're allowing Microsoft Forms to automatically display the results to your users, which is handy for both educators and anyone managing the quiz. However, there's a bit more we need to do to make sure everything works seamlessly. For the automatic results feature to function as expected, you must assign points to each question when creating or editing your quiz. This is essential because it enables Microsoft Forms to calculate scores and display not just the results, but also whether the respondents got the answers right or wrong. Assignments of points can be adjusted at any time, so it's flexible if you need to make changes later on. That's it. Once these settings are in place, your quiz will be good to go. Participants will appreciate immediate feedback, and you'll have one less step to manage in your admin duties. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough helps you efficiently use Microsoft Forms for your quizzes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on modern tools and tech. Until next time, take care.